Good afternoon. Welcome back to Real Power. I'm Thomas. We're going to show you how to implement a HSS 751 that's got an auto level on. We're going to start with the control panel this morning. To engage the power, we got to turn it on. We have a start button, stop button, run speed control, and a slowdown control. You have a forward and reverse. You have emergency e-stop. And this also comes with a ESTL electronic stop to link measure. I'm going to show you how to put in a plug-in shaft. Sits in place. You pull the shrink plunger out, slide it in, locks it into place. We're going to load a reel. You want to freestyle your traverse to set it to setting point. Move that, set it back in place. Now it's ready. To change your traversing speed, you adjust it from this position here. It's as simple as moving your thumb around. The next thing you want to do is you want to line your stops with your flange of your reel. Put it in down position, come back. Now it's lined up to ready to traverse back to the opposite direction. You have two of these. You have one on each side, one for each side of your flange of your reel. And then you make your adjustment of your based on your material and your speed.